So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am going to share with you all my hostel room. So guys, finally I made this video to do a lot of hard works as well as to arrangement. So without further delay, let's begin.
So hey guys, as you can see, this is the outside of the view of the hostel. So as you seen, this is the main door of my hostel room. It shown to the outside of my room. So yeah, let's go and to see the inside of the room. Yeah, so I'm just open the door and yeah. So guys, this is the inside door of the room, which looks like the same. Yeah, so yeah, we'll start this first of the corner switchboard, and this is the first hanger. There I kept or hanged a lot of clothes, and this is the mirror side area, and this is my second hanger where I kept or hanged a lot of clothes. Yeah, so this is the two almirahs which was made by the iron, and we kept outside there, and I just put a lot of stuffs as you are seeing there. So yeah, in the last row, if I'll say to you, then this is the corrugated box which I just ordered something by the geomart or something, so I kept the corrugated box. And this is my daily use steps, as you seen: conditioner, shampoos, hand wash, and a lot of things. Yeah, and this is the daily using things which I am using for my hair oil, everything. And this is the books and notes. And yeah, there upper of the case, Almirah, just I kept the bag and buckets. And this is the umbrella, and this is, yeah, this is the row which I kept the my snacks and something I just kept inside the water, because my friends, they came and just take it out and just go, and I just unable to find it who's the take and to do. So these things we need to just handle out. And this is my shoes and slippers rack, as you see. Yeah, so this is the window side, which is inside of the window. They actually every room they are providing two windows, two side of windows. First, this is the inside of the room of this window, and this is my wardrobe, which is they are providing three racks. So two racks actually. One of my roommate is staying with me, so that they locked and they covered the two racks, and this is the one rack. So yeah, this is the inside of the view, as you see. And the first rack and lot of things, and this second rack I kept a lot of clothes, cap, my bags. And this is the last rack. There I kept my traveling bag, which I am very often using, because sometime I'm going there, so I'll use this. Yeah, and this is the very special place there, my working table, as well as my small place of worship area. Yeah, this is all I made paintings by me only, so I just paste it out on the wall, because it looks a little bit more attractive and good. Yeah, this is the bed which I spend a lot of time over there. And this is the table too, which I kept a lot of. Yeah, this is the second another window. Yeah, so yeah, we'll see outside of the window. It's the outside view of my room window. It looks something like, yeah, this is the that's outside of the view of my window. And yeah, this is the last corner, and this is the yoga mat which I am using every day in morning.
I hope guys you like this video. If you like it, then don't forget to do like, share, subscribe, comment done, and press the bell icon too. Then you will get my latest videos notification very soon. Till then, stay tuned with my channel, and bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.